Wait, what do you mean? I'm in a video?
Competition begins in 10.
The Shrek profile picture.
3, 2,
Who's?
1.
Oh my god.
I just noticed something funny. So, alright, let me show you my sniper, alright? Alright, where are you?
Out attacking a medic.
Okay, I'll head out there.
Got it.
You're on the center floor at the turbines.
Yeah, actually, right now I could use some help because the pilot. Oh,
But don't die. Don't die. Oh, a spy's right here. He hit the ground. Alright, you need to get. Oh, okay, goodbye.
Did you watch that?
You got swarmed. It's like 4 blues attacking you.
I fell. No, I fell off the thing and that's how I died.
Yeah, you didn't die to rockets and fire. You just fell over.
Okay, I tripped on a penny. Alright, I'm at spawn.
Alright. Take a look at my character. This is pretty much how I look like in real life. Is that funny?
Yeah.
Of course.
Come on, come with me in this medic.
Ready? And oh man, I do not shoot as well. I can only spam. Alright, there you go. Alright, oh no!
Why? Why does this always happen?
Alright, what do you think? Should we
Brandon
protect the
Fraser.
medic, or should we all be medics healing him?
I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna say soldier because I really want to practice for my soldier.
Alright,
'Cause next
so we just
year-
protect
next
the medic
year-
wherever he goes. Alright, what's his
Yeah, 'cause
name?
next year I think we're doing.
Bob? Is that him? Or
Uh,
Unicorps?
Yeah, he's that over there. Unicorps, the medic, and the other guy. Oh,
Don't worry, Unicorps. Me and Dave are gonna be your own personal bodyguards.
That's not creepy at all.
it should be.
We cannot let you die to pyros anymore. Don't worry, we are the best bodyguards ever. Just wait till after I respawn.
You did your duty if you died protecting me.
Yeah, you should be proud. We should be
you just
really
died.
proud.
I feel proud. I used W on the keyboard and it took some real skill.
Dang.
You saw that, Uni? I just saved your life, and I wouldn't save you from this engineer. No, I'm not paid enough.
Medic, please, medic. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry.
Why does this always happen? No one's with me when I'm making a push.
I don't know
No,
about
playing
you,
the
but I
game
made a
does
pretty
not
good
matter.
push.
It's about camping.
I got you, man. I'm cross-going cross-map.
Thank
No,
you.
you weren't. You didn't crossbow me when it mattered.
Stop.
I was
Why are you so objective? Why are you
Look,
on
we're
objectives?
bodyguards. It's not our profession. Let alone we're not good at our profession at all.
What are you talking about? I have to get this job.
Why don't you sit down? There we go.
Oh my god, did I just cross map you? I think I just cross
That's
mapped
my
you.
clue.
Well, we got a sniper in the room with a huntsman. Very dangerous. Can't go in there.
Run. No, don't. Oh my god. Okay, those two medics have it.
Yeah, those two medic.
We're supposed to run like
Die.
Let's go.
Well, at least, despite having no cosmetics and pirating, he wasn't a noob.
I don't
Alright.
even know what's going on in this server anymore.
Isn't that the way it's supposed to be?
Intelligence now, by the way. Did you know about it?
Why do they all have crits?
Why? Why does he have crits?
There were so many guys. Like, oh.
All the
wait.
pirates downstairs have crits.
And
There's
you realize.
so many pirates.
Your sound is so loud.
I apologize for background noise. Once again, no headphones on the second computer in this room.
Headphones are legally please.
I was on the intelligence and it disappeared.
Didn't it just go back?
danger.
I know, I hate people like that, don't worry. Rip.
Alright, we're moving up on the sentry. I'm just going to go and be healing this one guy's sentry.
I am so angered right now. I have every
Why? Why are you angered?
What is intelligence now?
Alright, yeah, his sentry's down.
Jackhammer to the... We should really tap it.
You're number one.
There's Tyler coming.
You're number one.
and the academy and especially my brother.
Oh, be quiet. You're at the bottom of the league.
Whoa.
I'm just kidding.
Alright, I'm going to have a
I feel bad now because I think you took. I feel bad now because I think you took it serious. I said be quiet because you're at the bottom of the leaderboard. I feel bad now.
Very savage you are.
Let's do
I
that
sense you
though.
like turbine.
I'm Savage.
No, I think we all hate it.
Savage level 1000.
Yes, that line is canceled, please.
I'm lowering my volume
I gave
a
Snap money.
lot more. No, I didn't get to apply. Just to let you
What's up,
know. Oh, well, hopefully
What'd you
it's
say?
not just my voice in this recording. I want to hear gunshots.
Okay, talk.
Prepare to complete
I'll be quiet.
Oh, no.
No,
That's that.
Tell me when you start. Shut the fuck up.
Right. There we go. I'm just gonna stick with this recording as is, because I cannot be perfectionistic all the time.
What's your melee?
Be quiet.
Oh no! I failed you, medic. I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
But I'm not sorry through my actions.
But what's your melee?
Alright.
They almost got me. Anybody else see that medic almost time kill me?
Alright, could you speak in the mic?
You hear about that soda pop cowboy guy? He's such a weirdo. Fail.
Don't be mean. Don't be
It
mean.
was a joke.
Alright, they got a sniper.
Someone help me.
Dying way. There's so many people here.
Yeah, I agree. We got this. Come on. Let's go. Kill them all. Kill them all.
Come on, peek.
This same guy is still typing his fanfiction in chat. Hey, medics, you wait here. I want to join the medic club.
Yes!
No.
I got someone!
I really am so glad you got that headshot.
Are you run? Oh no!
Wow, that was
I couldn't get
that
two.
was very lucky.
I am disgusted.
I'm just gonna wait for my fellow medics to join.
I am here.
I don't want to be a
Spies,
creep,
they're just
but
always there.
Uni has a really nice
Never
voice.
die.
Can I Boston Bashers go again? Should I build Eagle
Yeah.
with you again?
Yeah.
I guess that
Can
makes
I-
me a creep.
No. Can I say it in chat?
Or you can be
No.
Can I actually? I might.
So how's your day? If I smack you, it doesn't heal me any.
Sentry going up.
Why aren't you doing it, man? I'm trying to sliver.
I don't know. I have to think about it.
Why don't you just add her? Look for the walls.
I just comment on your profile. Your voice sounds nice.
There's just flyers of scouts.
Friendly.
Very good voice. Heavy, come back, please. Heavy. No, just
Pyro
pyro.
and then Uber
There's more pyros.
No. I'll count. No count.
Sergeant Pepper.
I got this.
When did Sergeant Pepper show up?
Sergeant Pepper.
Is John Team or enemy team?
What?
Oh, Sergeant Pepper, yeah.
Dude, Sergeant Pepper.
And
Ian.
Sergeant Salt and Sergeant
Sergeant
Pepper.
Pepper.
Sergeant Pepper's Lonely Hearts Club Band.
Do they know that show?
No, that's what somebody in the game just said. They said, when did Sergeant Pepper
Mr.
show
John
up?
Bennett, and I'm feeling very disappointed.
Huh?
I'm guessing it was the show then.
Of course, back room. That's right.
I got stuck on a spy.
This one's her wench. Or whatever.
I'm bad at being kicked.
I just got reflex killed by Sergeant Salt. It's always Sergeant Salt.
Why so
They have
salty?
Sergeant Pepper and Sergeant
Yeah,
Salt.
those are the top of their stairs. Go for it.
I got this.
While you go, just go in.
Of course, I will.
Alright, I think I'm getting something done now.
Still go in.
Yeah! Go.
No, don't do it. You're gonna die. Don't do it.
Level 3 after.
Because they're good. Of course.
I lagged my way to death.
Dude, I don't like this game.
Okay, when the NG eventually goes back to pick it up, be there to kill him, okay? Wait for the intel to despawn so that way we can get rid of their level 3.
Okay.
Sniper.
guy's name
Pyro
is
right near you.
Socrates.
Alright, you good.
We got these things.
We didn't move to level 3 yet.
Thank you.
Hey, see ya? There's a spy nearby. Oh man, he almost tried to get you. He was on top of the blue crate and fell down. He was disguised as you.
Oh, thank you. Nice save, dude.
Alright, no, that was a demo. He's still around somewhere. Probably changing priorities. Doing a different path. He's probably going back. Ooh. Oh yes, I got revenge crits. Come here, Pyro. Time to die.
Why did the die? No one stopped.
I don't have enough metal. I need metal. Yes, thank you. Right here. Please do not do the thing. Alright, good. You did it. Woohoo! Yes, come here, Pyro.
You wanna come back to
I'm just waiting for something to happen. No one's been talking the entire time.
Okay, dude, I think we have this game.
Oh, he's not, I was gone.
Why don't just chat in-game, as I can hear you in-game a little bit better.
I mean, why don't you turn on your mute volume?
Those are just really quiet in the chat. Alright, I got no metal. I'm low in health.
They still have level 3. Still have level 3. The tires are very damaged. Medic down.
Okay, there's a spy as me. He literally has the, put the dagger on, he's just sitting in that corner. Right here.
They got a full team of pyros coming.
Oh man, those grids did nothing. Well, actually, they did something. They moved. Never
Yeah, I
mind.
just-
Everybody's
I'm going
dead.
engineer.
Everybody's dead.
There's still Sentry left.
Yeah. Hey, you just gotta believe, man. I'm gonna build my sentry.
I don't know. I have to go back to the
There's a
supply
demo on our
cabinet to get more
spawn.
beliefs. I'll help you guys push them back. I am coming in as heavy, big old fat man.
Sorry if you can't
I'm
use
build
guns.
fat man.
Oh man, I'm dead. No.
You need there's a demo behind you.
They have a sentry outside our front door. It's time to quit.
I'll sticky spam it.
I'm just gonna
Yeah,
I'm just
man.
gonna they have a sentry outside the door.
Holy cow, this recording's an hour long.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't upload that.